What's going on, everyone? Levi here with Fox Ridge Slabs. Hope you guys are doing well. We are going to mill a maple trunk today. We're going to start with the top section of the trunk in this video. So here it is. It's about 5 foot long. The small end down here is mid 30-inch diameter. The larger end we're going to cut down to about 42 inches wide. I can do a little bit more than that with my mill setup, but we're going to stick with about probably 42, 43, 44 inches wide at the crotch, so I'll have to trim that down a little bit. I'm going to use my steel MS 881 today for milling. I have a 54-inch GB Australia bar on the mill. You can purchase this from Gramberg International. I also have a Gramberg International skip ripping chain. This is the first time I'm using a skip ripping chain from Gramberg. I'm using a Gramberg MK4 Alaskan mill. This is a 48-inch mill. The bar, the mill, the chain, you can purchase all of that on Gramberg's website. Use my coupon code to save you 10%. Coupon code is Fox Ridge Slabs. Let's start cutting.